Hello everybody, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best House Apartments. Hey, we've walked in the luxurious A119, the A119, and this is the lobby. So we're just gonna walk around to give you a brief tour of the A119, just on the first floor. It's just a sumptuous property. It's delightful really in every way. So let's start on the right, shall we? Let's go to the right, and there's just a nice sitting area. You can work from here if you like. There's plugs. There's also just areas to sit. Over here on the left also there's just area to sit and just kind of wait, for that car or those guests. There's also a fabulous refreshments area, so that's actually a beautiful coffee maker. It's that coffee maker, you just press it and it makes coffee, and then you can add caramel syrup, vanilla syrup, hazelnut syrup. There is a nice selection, cornucopia really, of choices for beverages down there. Those are free anytime. Also, on the right over here, you do have a beautiful outside patio, so you can just come and relax. There's a waterfall going over there. It's so nice. Just love that. And then you've got some just beautiful seating. Most of it's out of the sun, and there's lighted as well. So if it's winter, you can really still enjoy things out here because it's going to be heated. Really pretty area. So this is the outside. We're going to close that up, and now let's walk through and see some of the other parts of the first floor. Just gorgeous. So we walk past, and by the way, there is an area called the library over here. That's a work from home area. Really nice area. We may explore that in just a minute. But that's what that looks like. Over here, we've got the concierge desk. I already had some help from this fabulous concierge that's here. It's very, very nice. The leasing staff is over there. And there's also an entrance to the parking garage that's right here. So we've filmed that as well. This is the elevators, and then the mail room area is over there. Every part of this is very elegant. It just is a treat for the eyes. It's just sumptuous. Over here is the parcel room. There's a separate parcel room. Very nice. And then that completes pretty much the first floor. So it's just simply gorgeous. Beautiful details, well lighted. By the way, there's gentle music playing in the background. Just absolutely love it. And I love the artwork that's here too. The artwork is very pretty. Also in this hallway, there is a dog wash area. Very, very nice. Oh, love seeing this so much. So convenient. This is a very dog-friendly area, so you have that. And then, of course, you do have a dog park. Now, what's really neat is the dog park is here outside. So beautiful dog park that's here. And it's gated, it's on the property, and all of this is gated too. So you can see it's protected. This is a very delightful, safe area, but you do have a protected dog park as well. Love all the features I'm seeing, don't you? And if you have any questions, and if you'd like to take a tour at any time, we can do a virtual or live tour at any time. Send me a text, just use the number below.